Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat Webpage not available. So let's get started. So here we are in Hamster Kombat, and then from here, in order for us to fix the error of webpage not available, I have a few solutions for you. So number one would be going into the settings of your device. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or iOS device, it's basically the same process. So from here in the settings of your device, you want to go into your date and time settings, wherein you can set the date and time in your phone itself. And from here, I'm just gonna tap on date right here. And from here, I can set automatic for date right here. So this is what we want for our settings, because if your time and date or date and time is not set automatically, chances are it is in the wrong date and time. So if it is wrong, then it would cause problems in your Telegram app. Actually, not just Telegram, but your other apps like Facebook and Instagram would also have some errors with it. So this is very important here, that you have your date and time set to automatic so that you can make sure that it is correct. And then the next thing is that you want to go into your Play Store, and from here you want to search for Telegram and make sure that you don't have the update button here available in Telegram. So if you have the update button, make sure you update your Telegram app here in order for you to have no errors with the current version of Telegram. And then from here, if you already have updated your app and it's still having that certain error, then what I can suggest is that you can uninstall your Telegram app right here, delete the app, and then install it here again afresh here in your App Store or Play Store. And after that, you want to test it out if it's now all good. If not, then what I suggest is you restart your device itself. And once you have restarted it, you can now test it out if it has now been working. If not, then it might be your internet service provider. So make sure that you have your internet. You can go in to fast.com to test your internet speed and make sure that your internet is working, because that might be the one that is causing you to have errors in Hamster Kombat. When you are tapping on the play button, you won't have this result. As you can see in mine, I have mine all good. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.